Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, guys. Let's take a look again as usual on the euro currency. So as you understand, on Friday we've got the new fundamental environment. This particular stands in relation to Donald Trump positive test on the virus. And we think that this event is not priced in total on the markets, and in nearest time it really could make the maybe not quite negative impact, but it will make some pressure on the markets across the board, and including the euro currency. Because even in the positive progress of recovery, it probably will take for a few weeks, while market within all these 2 weeks will be in some uncertainty. And that increase the nervousness in the market and will make the pressure on different assets, keeping demand for the safe haven assets, as on the gold market, maybe definitely the United States dollar. That's if even everything will go positive. That makes really hardly possible significant rally on the euro currency within the either few weeks or even few months, depending on the situation. So currently it's relatively clear that we will not get as the new liquidity measures probably till the elections, as no breakthrough in the Brexit negotiations. The next round will be on the 15 and the 16 in October. So the major driving factor remains is United States elections. And with all uncertainty that we have around this factor, this probably will keep euro currency under pressure. We think that the chance to get our downside leg that we have suggested last week now looks even more probable than the week before. So that's what we see currently on the euro. Maybe the factor of the providing new stimulus from the European Union. So on Mondays will be discussion of the new pack for 750 billion euros in the European Union to support the economy. If these measures will be adopted, in this case we could get another upward action in the euro, but the question stands how strong this action will be and whether it will be possible to overrule the negative impact of the situation around United States president. So it could happen that this reaction will be short-term. So market could show another leg of retracement, as we suggested initially. If you remember, we previously have considered this possible two-leg of retracement. Some A, B, C reactions could happen. And if these measures will be accepted on Monday, that could happen still, that we will get another leg up. But then it's very probable that the market could return back to the downward action. So for us, the major scenario still stands around 115 area, because this is weekly confidence XOP weekly oversold, and we treat this level as very probable to see within the few weeks. And also we are watching for this level for taking the long position, because even the technical bounce up from here will be significant, we suppose, because this is very strong support area. But until situation around the Donald Trump health and elections in the United States will be cleared, hardly we will get any meaningful rally and major bullish reversal in the euro. So that's our position. In the case if no supportive measures will be adopted by the European Union, we do not exclude the chance that market will go down straightforward right from this level. Because market right now stands in strong resistance. This is natural resistance, as you can see. This is also harmonic swing has been completed. And on a follow time from chart, you could see this is also confidence resistance. So everything in the short term stands around this level, 1770. The breakout of this area probably, as I said, it will be supported by some fundamental events. Could lead market to some A118.50, 190 area. In this case, we'll get a kind of the A, B, C bottom D pattern, at least. where later some maybe downward action could be reestablished, but that will promise the higher retracement. In the case if no measures will be adopted on Monday, it's really big chances that we will get downside continuation and standing on the way to 115 area. That's very probable. On the hourly chart, we still could keep watching for our hand and shoulders pattern that we discussed already. Currently, it looks not very attractive. It's a bit tricky, especially on the right arm of this pattern. It's a bit noisy, very choppy. As we market here on the way down hasn't reached the neckline, so this is a bit bullish price behavior that we see here. It's not typical for a normal hand and shoulders pattern, but let's wait for the weekend, because in some news could be released. Market just could open right on Monday below the neckline. That's also is possible. So just let's see what will happen. If hand shoulders will start to work, well, that's probably where we're going with our central scenario and immediate action to the 115 area. If some measures will be adopted by European Union, in this case we could get failure of the hand and shoulders and upward continuation. So you should act correspondingly. So if you have taken the short position here on Friday, you probably have break-even stops already and just keep watching. If you have the bullish view and would like to buy EUR, well, you need to wait and break out of this area. Probably you could use stop buy orders above the confidence that we have from the 4-hour time frame chart, or wait for positive news from the meeting on the European Union in relation to this new stimulus pack. Correspondingly for the bears, well, if this hand short starts to work, you could consider possibly taking the short position based on this pattern. All the stuff will be clear on Monday. For the daily traders, so not much that we could do. Currently, well, mostly we are watching for this level, as I said, where we will consider taking the long position. That's our current view on euro currency.